Hey there and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for being here. I am literally, oh, you can see me in the background. I'm literally on the way out of my house. I'm about to go to Ikea for the first time in actually probably like a year at this point. I'm so excited. Things are finally open here. We're in stage 3. Thought I would take you guys along really quick, show you my outfit of the day. A little Space Jam top with a fanny pack. I better close this. Yes, I've got my debit card and everything in there. And then I got a, can't really see, a clip in the back just to keep my hair up because it's supposed to be rainy and shit today. I will see you guys there. I'm about to go meet my friend Allie in the lobby, and I'm super, oh, you can see the clip. I'm super excited and really excited to finally be at Ikea and hopefully buy a lot of cute things. Oh shit, I forgot to make a list. Anyways, I gotta go. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, we're in and I'm already seeing so much that I love. First up, let's look at these couches because I wanted to look at couches. Yeah, okay, couches first. I love this one. Oh my god, it's not even that expensive. I love it.
It's so expensive. It's a tiny little lovesy for
$900. That's like a full-size couch. Okay, let's both sit on it and see how much space we have. Okay. This one has a good depth on it. But Allie has agreed, or said that she doesn't like leather, and now I don't know if I like leather either. I just want to see how much my belly comes off of it, because that's the real test. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that. This one.
Feet off the couch, madam.
Even the couch?
I feel like I don't have much space. I feel like it's the same as mine.
It's like a solid 6 inches of belly space.
Do you feel like it's less deep or about the same depth as mine?
I think it's a little deeper.
A little deeper? Okay, I mean, it's a nice length, too. Okay, this is a contender.
Yes.
All right, so now we are looking at some, I mean, I guess they could be side tables, coffee tables. Allie really likes this one. She had a good idea to put storage in it, like blankets in here.
It's only for the blanket space.
Yeah, I feel like it would look really cute. I really like this one over here, but I just worry it would be a little too large. But again, we could have the storage under here, which would be really nice. Actually, no, I think I'd want something open underneath. So maybe like something over here. Those ones would actually look really nice as like a side table.
That's what I have as my coffee table.
Oh, you do? 25 bucks. Also, I wasn't able to decide on a couch, but I did actually find a couple that are top contenders, some that are really comfortable. But I think for today, I'm gonna wait. I still need to sell my old couch. I don't know why I'm like looking right now, but at least I know if they're comfortable or not. And then also I saw a pink chair, which I'll put here. That is really, really cute, but it's just not deep enough. I need something nice and deep. Ew. Okay, so looking at this chair here, it's $119. And oddly enough, it doesn't feel like it's gonna collapse under my weight. I actually feel like pretty secure in it. So I actually think I might get 2 for my balcony or for my dining room, honestly. I just need new chairs really bad. I don't like this room, obviously, but I keep seeing this thing here. And I've seen Lone Fox do a video where he bought 2 of them and like stacked them on top of each other. I obviously would paint this or spray paint it like a gold, but I'm thinking about it because this would actually make like a really good side table, or to like put beside a mirror as like, you know, something else. So we kind of gave up on the showroom. A lot of it is just stuff we can't even really get. But now we are in Market Hall, which is the best. It's amazing. The cafeteria is closed. That makes me so sad. I really just wanted like a cafeteria experience, but hopefully now with being in stage 3, things should start opening soon. But I don't know how much I'm going to be able to film here. It is very overwhelming. Ooh, look at those terracotta plates over there. I am in the lighting section. And the whole reasons I came here was for lighting. This little guy is like $11, which is nice, but I want a dimmable light and I want something that's warm so that when I'm going to sleep, I can relax. I'm going to show you guys in a second the lamp that I really want, but I just realized that you have to buy this switch that dims it separately, which is kind of ridiculous. It's already like $40, and I mean, I know that's not much, but I don't want to have to like buy accessories to go with it if it's supposed to be dimmable already. I'll show you guys right now. Okay, mirrors. I've really wanted this mirror for my front foyer for a while, but this mirror up here, look at this mirror. I've been wanting this mirror for so long. I really like that. It's only 50 bucks.
Like that mirror, or like the white one?
Would you like the...
Did you get fake plants?
Yeah.
So we just did the plant section. Allie's are fake, mine are real. But real talk though, Ikea has a great selection of real plants. Everyone is huddling over there. And then also an amazing selection of plant pots, which is really nice because I can already figure out what sizes work. Look at this one. That's cute. That's really, really cute. I like it a lot. I just have to remember I have 2 very real plants there. That's a fiddle leaf fig. They're a little bit finicky. Again, it's like a tree. Okay, we're done. You want to hold that for a second? I just need to go double check where those chairs are because I think at the very least I want to bring the chairs home today. Everything else is like a little bit too much. Okay, we're done. I'll show you guys what I get a little later. Right now I'm just gonna eat my Swedish meatballs. Allie's got her
My child's pasta.
yeah. I told myself I was gonna spend more than 200. I spent 170, so I came in good. But a lot of the stuff that I wanted, I still have to get online. But at least I got to see it like in person to know that I really want it. But yeah, that was the video. I'll probably make the haul into its own video. I need to dig into my food, so I will see you guys.
Do the outro?
Yeah, of course you can.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
No reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get in.